Welcome back, students. Let us start. Next point, construction of index number. Construction of index number. Following steps are involved in the construction of index number. Number 1, purpose of index number. The purpose for constructing the index number, its scope, as well as which variable is intended to be measured should be clearly decided in to achieve the fruitful results. That is the first step. That the purpose of what is the purpose for constructing the index number should be very much clear. Second, selection of the base year. Base year is also called the reference year. It is a year against which comparisons are made. The base year should be normal. That is, it should be free from natural calamities. It should not be too distant in the past. For example, this year 2020 cannot be considered as a base year because of the corona. So we will not be getting the correct picture. So that is why the year has to be the normal one, and it should not be too distant in the past. When we want to talk about 2021, you should not take 2001 as a base year. Next, selection of items. It is necessary to select a sample of number of atoms to be included in the construction of particular index number. For example, in the construction of price index numbers, it is impossible to include each and every commodity. The commodities to be selected should represent the taste, habits and customs of the people. Besides this, only standardized or graded atoms should be included to give the better result. That means we have to selection of atoms. That is very, very important. Next, selection of price quotations. Prices of the selected commodities may vary from place to place and shop to shop in the same market. So, it is desirable that price quotation should be obtained from an unbiased price reporting agency. To achieve accuracy, proper selection of representative places and persons is required. Next, choice of suitable average. Construction of index numbers requires choice of suitable average. Generally, arithmetic mean is used in the construction of index numbers because it is simple to compute compared to the other averages. Next, assigning proper weights. Weight refers to the relative importance of the different items in the construction of index number. Weights are of two types, that is quantity weights Q and value weights P. So P in quantity weights and value weights. So P into Q. Since all atoms are not equal or are not equally important, by assigning specific weights, better results can be achieved. And the last, selection of appropriate formula. Various formulas are devised for the construction of index numbers. Choice of the suitable formula depends upon the purpose of index number and availability of data. So these are the 7 points that are important in the construction of index number. Number 1, purpose of index number should be clear. Then selection of base year, that has to be the normal one. Then the selection of items like standardized or graded items should be included. Selection of price quotation, like proper selection of representative places and persons are required. Then choices of suitable averages, in that arithmetic mean is important. then assigning proper weight P into Q you have to mention, and the last selection of appropriate formula, which formula is suiting us, that we have to select for the index number. So in this way the index number can be constructed. So the question can be, explain the construction of index number. You have to give all the 7 points. Thank you very much.